Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Stitch from Lilo and Stitch movie. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Stitch's nose. Then, I draw his cute eyes. Draw a shape of heart inside like this. Then I draw his face. Draw a shape of heart right here. Then I draw a big heart shape and his hands are holding it. I draw a big mouth. On his head, I draw two big ears like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use dark blue to paint his nose. And pink for the shapes of hearts. For his eyes, I use this sky blue marker. Sky blue for this part too. Then I color his two ears light purple. Finally, I use blue to paint like this. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!